I'm I'm going to make a sushi. First, we need some seaweed and rice and raisins and eggs. Wait, that's the wrong veggies. This and this. First, let's open this. Then put the veggies and put the seaweed in. Here. Put it again and open the seaweed. The top here. I mean it.
Ice, you hold this, I can help you open it. Here.
Here. And put it here. First, you add some rice. Yeah. I need a spoon.
I think we have a spoon here.
Spoon. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Just the top half, right?
Yeah.
Not the whole, right? And do you need to thin it out, I think, a bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
All right.
Now, let's put the raisins. Remember, I like sushi the best. So, I'm going to put 2 eggs. One here and one here. And first of all, veggies.
What veggies are those?
Carrots
Mm-hmm.
and other veggies.
Cucumber?
Yeah.
All right.
And you can see me on YouTube. If you ask why, because I like making sushi and I like to put on something in YouTube. Put it again. Oops. There.
Okay, I think you have enough.
Okay. And let's roll this.
Okay, you have to open the plastic first, yes. And then roll it a bit, yes. Okay, now plastic again. Yes.
Yeah. I remember.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the tastiest ever.
Oh, gum, yum, 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 yum. Roll again, I think it's not hard yet. What was the plastic? Not, yes.
Put it in here.
Use the plastic, my dear.
Fit here and
Yes.
use plastic.
Okay. And then, yes, one more roll, keep rolling. Yes, now, press down a bit. Press harder, yes. Now, that's how you make it. A little bit more. Is it
Ta-da!
done? All right. Oh,
And you can see this ever again.
okay.
Goodbye.